Guitar 101, the complete beginner series.
You are my sunshine. 1, 2. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. All right, for the intermediate version, we're going to add 2 extra G measures as an intro. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4.